So Johnny was just bringing to my attention. Hello. How are you? All right, and yourself? All right. Not so bad. Johnny was just bringing to my attention that his song. You don't need that now. All right. The boys and girls living in this crazy world. All I really needed from you. He lifted that from the old song. I had this 45. I used to play it practically on a loop by Gilbert O'Sullivan. And a little while from now, I'm not feeling any less sour. I promise myself to treat myself and visit a nearby tower. Climbing to the top, throw myself off. Da 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 da. Alone again, naturally. So what you wanted to tape this? Why? It's not you, Lena. We have an allergy attacks today. Yeah, all right. Well, it is me because I'm having an allergy attack, right? So, what's going on? We got work to do today. All right. We're going to clean out the hope chest and we're going to film it. Oh, is that what's going on? Yeah. But first, a little song for Johnny, and then we'll get started. All right. I promised myself to beat myself and visit a nearby tower. Climbing to the top will throw myself off. Do a little bit of that, do that one. Play it. Skip the light fandango, turn cartwheels across the floor. I was feeling kinda seasick. The crowd called out for more. The room was humming harder, while the ceiling flew away. And we called out for another train, and the waiter brought a tray, and so there was late, as a mirror told its tale, and a face of hers just ghostly turned a whiter shade of pale. You sprung that one on me. And I know why you want me to play that, because I used to do that in my cover band, in my very successful cover bands. That would bring the house down, yeah. And I'm not making excuses for myself, but I used to really know the lead very well. I have not played that. It's going by some very sparse notes here. So we're going over to the Hope Chest to see what's in there from my old gig days. Maybe. Let's just go and... There it's it. There it's it. There it's it. All right, so this is the... Hi, honey. Yeah, hi. Hi, Lena. This is the Hope Chest, okay? And I'm going to be putting this upholstery, this do-it-yourself upholstery on it. But first we're going to open it. Right. This was given to me on my first engagement. I was engaged to a boy that I never married. And this was given to me as a gift from my parents.